what's up? So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and yeah, stay tuned in this video with me till the last, and don't forget to watch my previous videos as well. Like, share, subscribe, hit on the bell icon and comment. After making like around 7 to 8 makeup videos, I decided to do a haul for you guys since the quarantine is going on. But Nykaa has started its shipping, and they are shipping the essentials as well as the skincare and hair care products, and I was almost out of my skincare and hair care. So I ordered like 2-3 days back, and I have received my parcel today. And as soon as I received my parcel, I thought of showing it to you guys and creating my first YouTube Nykaa haul. First of all, thank you so much Nykaa. Your delivery was super quick. Like, I just ordered on 3rd and today only I received all my essentials. Thank you so much for that. I love you Nykaa. And now let's start quickly with the haul. So the very first product which I bought is a Nykaa Skin Potion serum, and this serum actually I wanted to try since a very long time, and I already use Glamaroma Pumpkin Skin Renewal Serum, and I don't take risk with serums because my skin is combination and I break out a lot. But I thought of trying this one because I love trying new products, so that's why I bought this Nykaa Skin Potion Anti-Acne Facial Oil. So this is how the serum looks like. The bottle is so cute. I like the color, and it has a dropper along with it, so it makes it easy to take out and apply on your face. And it's specially for acne. It will keep a track and it will control the acne, so that's why I ordered it according to my skin type. You can go and check out. They have various different serums according to different skin types, for pigmentation, for glow, for night. They have various categories. You can go and check out. So the second product which I ordered is a face scrub, and it's Smart Peeling Honey Black Sugar Scrub, and it looks like this. Actually, I was seeing this product from a very long time on Nykaa, and I have been adding it to my wish list every time. But since now, because of the lockdown, I am almost over with my scrub, so that's why I thought of trying this one. Next thing which I ordered is a face mask. Actually, I was not looking for a face mask, but I randomly saw this while searching for some other products. So this is a Dead Sea Mud Mask. It looks like this, and it has hyaluronic acid. It exfoliates, it clears skin, deep cleanses and removes blackheads. So this was something I was actually looking for, such a package for my skin, since I'm not able to go to the doctor for cleanups and all. Next product which I ordered for my hair is something which I was craving for, and I love this product. I'm a die-hard fan, and this is Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Hair Mask. I literally love it. Like, I bought one packet of it. I used it like half and 2 times, and I swear by my words guys, like, I will be making a separate review video for this. But this is an amazing mask. This makes my hair like I have just come out from a salon. I just love it, so that's why I ordered 2 packs for me. Then I ordered something that is actually multi-purpose. You can use it in your hair, you can use it on face, hands, body, wherever you want you can use it. So that is none other than the shea butter from Body Shop. I love this. This is my second packet, and yeah, I have finished the first one. Like, it's almost done, and guys, it's pure shea butter. You can use it to moisturize your face, to condition your hair, as a mask. You can add it in anything, like in your hair mask, face mask. It will give extreme deep moisture to your body, hair and skin. Next 2 products which I ordered is something which is actually required by everyone, and everyone should have it. So they are face mist. The one is from Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water, and the other one is, I don't know how to pronounce it properly. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. It's Evany Thermal Spring Water. I hope I'm right. But I have heard that this is for the sensitive skin. So I have an extremely sensitive skin. So whenever I scrub my face, whenever I peel my face or I use any ordinary product, after that I spray this on my face and my bottle was almost over. So that's why I ordered one more. And the Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water, this is something I can't live without. First of all, it smells amazing. Secondly, it's just like an instant hydration which you can always carry with you in your pocket. I ordered one small cute thing. It's a nail paint, Masaba by Nykaa, and can you see? Yeah, and it's in the shade is not written over here, sorry. 276 is written, but it's a little brownish shade, and I actually love the nude sometimes, but because since the salons and everything is closed, I can't go for extensions and everything, so that's why as a replacement I ordered this, and I pretty like the color. I'll show you. Can you see this? I'm liking it. It's looking good. The next product which I'm going to show you is something which I bought absolutely just because a review from my favorite blogger, Debashri Banerjee. I love her reviews, and I actually like the genuinity and honesty of her reviews. So my Series Expert conditioner was almost over and I needed to buy one, and that one was out of stock from Nykaa. So she gave the review about this conditioner a few days back, and I saw that video and I was actually planning to try this. So this is Palmer's Natural Fusions Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. It deeply repairs and boosts hydration, which is extremely required by my hair. So the very last product which I'm going to show you is something like which was actually not required, but I ordered it because I'm fond of it. So it's Nykaa Wanderlust French Lavender Mist. It looks like this, and guys, it smells, oh my god, amazing. It instantly gives me that energy, that fresh feel, that flowery, you know, that amazing feel. I just love this one, that's why I bought it. No other requirement. So that's it for now, guys. That was my Nykaa haul for lockdown, which I ordered all the essentials and also something which I was planning to try and give you reviews. So I'm going to try all these products for 15-20 days or a month, and I'm going to give you actually the honest review whether these products work the way it is reviewed on Nykaa or the people are saying, or it's just hype. So I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. So stay tuned, guys. This is for now. I hope you like this video, and do let me know which is your favorite product from my haul, and I'm going to link each and everything in the description box. You can go and buy everything from there, from the links. So bye bye. Thank you for watching my video.